Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Dave, welcome at Dinner with Dave, and today we're gonna make a soup with the stars of the day. Avocado and broccoli. It's Sunday, we have things to do here in my house, so I want to have a quick and easy dish that's also full of nutrients and the kids need to like it. So yeah, it's gonna be a soup with a healthy sandwich, just what you can buy everywhere. Just a sandwich with cheese, ham, cucumber, tomato, egg, that kind of stuff. Now, with that sandwich, I'm gonna make a soup. Yeah, avocado, it's the new superfood. You can buy it everywhere. Prices went up. Yeah, okay, but it's really nice to eat. It's healthy, good nutrition. So let's start. Let's make that soup. We're gonna need some curcuma, some nuts. I prefer some cashew nuts, vegetable stock, ginger, garlic, avocado of course, some cream. I had some really fresh broccoli, but we froze it. First give it a little boil, then froze it, and we've got some crash. If you want to clean the ginger, a really smart way to do is with a spoon, scrape the peel off. You can see it's going really easy. You don't have to use your knife, just take a small spoon and get it off. Then we're gonna crush the garlic. Give it a good crush, remove the ends and peel them. Get yourself a rasp. Be careful for your fingers. You could seriously hurt yourself. Also gonna do it with the garlic. You could have some leftovers, you can chop it really fast with your knife. Next preparation, 1 liter of water. That's 1 liter. 2 blocks of stock. That's enough. 1. Number 2, give it a whisk. Mise en place, done. Next step, pan, full whack. Add some oil, about a tablespoon, garlic, ginger in. Give it a little stir. Add about a teaspoon of curcuma. Add the broccoli. The stock. Make sure everything's about to be covered. Cream. Give it a whisk. Boil it softly for 10 minutes. Dry pan, full whack. Give them a roast. Now when it's boiling softly, turn down the heat, put the lid on it, 10 minutes. There we go. In the meanwhile, I've got my nuts roasting. You can see they are getting nice brown color. By the time you're done, turn down the heat, like I'm doing right now, and let them sit on a hot pan. They will continue roasting. They won't burn. Now next, mise en place already before the end. How to clean avocados. You got to be careful. A lot of people are getting cuts between their thumb and their pointing finger. The way to cut them, to get everything out, grab yourself a knife, go around the pit, give it a twist. Be careful, pop your knife in, slowly, give it a twist, there you go. So, one more again, once again, give it a cut, around the pit, give it a twist, get your knife, slowly tap your knife in and get it out. Then, how to remove all the goodies. The tip of your knife, run through the avocado, make blocks. Now, how to get them out? Take yourself a spoon and scrape besides the peel, and as you can see, you got yourself a clean avocado. 8 minutes in, gonna take the avocado, get everything in there. The creamy avocado. There's a crown here, just cut a little bit away from there. Give it a stir. Then I got myself a puree machine. Gonna plug it in. Lift the pan a little bit. Full whack. Uh-oh. Now, sometimes even here things go wrong. Take a look. Everything spilled under the avocado. Oh no. Cleaning time. Now let's take a look. The consistency. It's not too thin. We've got some chunks in there. That's perfect. And now let it rest for a while. Get yourself your wooden spoon, your stirring spoon. Place the lid on there and let it sit for, well, 15 minutes. So it will thicken up a little bit, and after that, when you warm it up, it will be perfect. Now, how are we gonna eat it? Got myself some freshly baked bread. Cut it open. That's bloody hot. Oh, hot, hot, hot. You can see the steam still coming out. Some mayonnaise, because it has to be a healthy salad. Then we've got some old cheese. So some old. On the other one we've got young cheese. Got myself some ham or some bacon, whatever you like. And then you can cover it with whatever you like. We like some cucumber. some tomato, and a little bit of egg, few slices, a little bit of salt, egg and salt, yummy. Fresh grounded pepper and a sprinkle of crash, just for the flavor coming back from the soup into your sandwich. Now, time to plate up. Got myself a bowl, hot soup. Get the soup into a nice bowl. Ooh, looking nice. I'm gonna top it off with some krish. Just a nice handful. Some of the roasted nuts. And this is my broccoli avocado soup. Broccoli avocado soup. Something different if you don't know what to do with your vegetables anymore. Well, I'm in the lucky position to have a crate every 2 weeks filled with fruit and vegetables. So yeah, sometimes we are like, again, just boiled broccoli. We had to find something else, and I was looking at the internet, I was searching, and yeah, I came up with this dish. Oh, awesome. Now let's give it a taste. Bloody hot. Nice creamy. From the avocado, also from the cream. You can taste chunks of broccoli in there. That combined with the crash with the nuts, a perfect combination. Well, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.